Hello everyone, my name is Nick and I'm an Agile coach. Today I would like to tell you guys about several concepts that you need to know if you are going into a magic world of Agile. So I would like to tell you what is Agile Manifesto and what are the principles of Agile Manifesto. That's kind of the basics. So Agile Manifesto is something like a group of methods or techniques or any other word that you can actually use to describe several rules and best practices. They are widely used in modern software development, and by telling modern, I'd like to admit that this thing was invented not so much time ago, but this kind of buzzword is always in the heads of freshly comers into software development, agile software development, and so on. So actually, in other industries, agile approaches are really also popular, but as I remember, some of really old things in agile really were invented not in the software development, but somewhere in the automotive industry or something like that. Anyway, let's start. So one of the core things about all agile methodologies is Agile Manifesto. This is a thing that kind of includes all the basic stuff about Agile, and it's really important for everyone on his journey or her journey to the world of Agile to know what is it and where to find it. So actually, on the web, you can find it on the agilemanifesto.org. Link will be in the description. And I believe we can open the website and take a look what you can find here. So this is a website, agilemanifesto.org, and you can see the picture with several group of people and actually the manifesto. So we are uncovering better ways of developing software by doing it and helping others to do it. Through this work, we have come to value individuals and interactions over processes and tools, working software over comprehensive documentation, customer collaboration over contract negotiation, responding to change over following a plan. That is, while there is a value in the items on the right, we value the items on the left more. And the list of people who actually signed this Agile Manifesto. There is a great story behind this manifesto. You can find it on the history page of Agile Manifesto, kind of history.html. It's quite short, but it's kind of fun. And well, that was the Agile Manifesto. You see, that's easy. A thing that would be more interesting, I believe, is actually principles of the Agile Manifesto and Agile software development. You can find it also on the same website, but on the link agilemanifesto.org/principles. So let's read them. We follow these principles. Our highest priority is to satisfy the customer through early and continuous delivery of available software. Welcome changing requirements, even late in development. Agile processes harness changes for the customer's competitive advantage. Deliver working software frequently, for a couple of weeks to a couple of months, with a preference to the shorter timescale. Business people and developers must work together daily throughout the project. Build projects around motivated individuals. Give them the environment and support they need, and trust them to get the job done. The most efficient and effective method of conveying information to and within a development team is a face-to-face conversation. Working software is the primary measure of progress. Agile process promotes sustainable development. The sponsors, developers, and users should be able to maintain a constant pace indefinitely. Continuous attention to technical excellence and good design enhance agility. Simplicity, the art of maximization the amount of work not done is essential. The best architectures, requirements, and designs emerge from self-organizing teams. At regular intervals, the team reflects on how to become more effective, then tunes and adjusts its behavior accordingly. So you see, principles are bigger than Agile Manifesto, and I should say that principles are more concrete, more useful in practical day-to-day life. Definitely, Agile Manifesto is always a very useful thing, but um, in these 12 principles, you can find more kind of day-to-day rules and guidance to work. So that's really more useful as for me. But anyway, you can try to find in your day-to-day job any example of an Agile Manifesto or principle and leave it in the comments. I believe that would be useful not only for the other guys who are watching this video, but also for me, as I'm going to create a new video about the practical examples of the Agile Manifesto and the 12 principles to describe it in a more way that will be easier to understand. You know, as a part of work of Agile coach, it's always a challenge how to tell other guys what is Agile, why do they need Agile, and actually concrete examples for every point in the Agile Manifesto or in the principle are really very useful, not only for you but also for me. And actually, that was it for today. Thank you guys, and see you next videos.